is this? So apparently while I slept in all day, it snowed. That kind of sucks. It's snowing like a motherfucker. Look at this. This isn't good. Well, welcome to Wisconsin. Winter is officially here. Let's see if the Cadillac will start. Oh yeah. Beauteous. Starts right up. Oh, I have one windshield wiper. The other one just doesn't exist. It's awesome. Get some heat going on in this bitch. Somehow. So I need to fix the brakes in this thing. And I also kind of need to get rid of all the wet carpet and interior inside. Thought it was going to be a nice day today, but apparently it snowed, so it's going to be a little more difficult than I thought. So this guy just ran out from underneath my car. Apparently he thinks the Cadillac is a house. I have news, buddy. You can't live there. That's not cool. Stay out of my car. So surprisingly, this thing isn't smoking like at all. Like maybe just a little bit, but usually it's a cloud by now. Wonder why that is. Maybe it's out of oil. Yeah, I burned it all. Oh no, it still smokes. It's all good. Kind of scared me for a little bit. I thought my car would quit smoking. It takes out all the fun. I really wish the brakes weren't fucked so I could go drive and play in the snow. But that'll be a video for another day. Dad's got the shop full, so I probably won't be doing anything to this, but maybe tearing out some interior. Just love it. I decided that because there's snow on the ground and it's the first snow, we're going to have to drive the Cadillac without brakes and just say fuck it. I don't really care if I hit anything in this thing, it's already junk anyways. So we're just going to send it without brakes. Oh, what the hell? Gotta get traction control turned off here. Have some fun. sketchy without brakes. I guess you get used to it. It's not so bad out in the field. Oh, and there she died. Sad. Why does this thing run like shit? Because it's cold out. This is a blast with no brakes. Donuts in the Cadillac is always fun. I hate the gauges in this thing. You can never tell what the temp is. Well, she's getting a little warm. Let's go see if we can park this thing without hitting anything. Docked. definitely have a good time in this thing. Totally worth the $400 that I paid for it. Oh yeah, she just covered. Tearing up the grass. With no brakes even. And only half a windshield to see out of. I did pretty good. No brakes, half a windshield, and I didn't even hit anything. What a day. This is one way to make a snowy, shitty day a lot better. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I'll see you next time.